where to paint your nails, so if you're doing it in your bedroom, use a towel so the carpet doesn't get marked. Then you need a bottle of nail polish. Start by opening the bottle of nail polish. So you might need to break the seal. So I've just ripped it here and then I've opened it. Okay, so I have this bottle, and you might get a piece of card which you can lay your finger on so it doesn't get on anything. Now, if you're painting someone else's, ask them to put their hand flat on the piece of card. If not, get your first hand, lay it here, find a stiff surface where the bottle will stand and won't fall over. Unscrew the lid of the bottle, taking out the brush and wiping it on the edges. Stand the bottle up, get your finger, put it on the card, and continue doing that on every finger. Now you have painted one hand, you need to paint the other. Once you've painted both hands, you need to think about whether you want to do another coat, because if it's too pale, it won't show up. After 1 or 2 coats, they are all finished and ready to wear and share. They'll probably take about 2 minutes to dry. Don't forget to subscribe, thanks!